Hey YouTube world, what's going on? Mark here from TST Industries, back in the garage, and today we'll be guiding you through the installation process of our TST Mirror Block-Offs for the 2024 and up Kawasaki Ninja 500. Now please note the installation process that we are about to show you is done on a Ninja 400, where Brian will guide you through the install process. But as you can see in front of me on our actual Ninja 500, the fit, finish, function, and overall installation process is exactly the same on the 500 as shown on the 400 and a few other models that use the same Kawasaki Mirror Block-Offs. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right in and begin the installation process.
It's going to take one tool, 4mm Allen. Just going to go ahead and break loose these bolts. There's only two of them, so when you get the first one out, you're going to want to support the mirror so it doesn't come swinging around, hitting your bodywork. Go ahead and set this to the side. Retain those bolts with the mirror. You will not need them again. I'm going to take one of our block-offs. They are absolutely symmetrical, so it doesn't matter which one you grab first. Grab one of our countersunk screws. Get that first one partially threaded in. Go ahead and grab the second. And then really just kind of give those guys a nice tightening down. Don't overdo it. Nice little quarter turn after they're tight. That should be good. The process of this installation is absolutely identical. I'm just going to go straight through it. All right guys, and there you have it. What was that, maybe like a minute and a half? Installation totally complete. These are very streamlined components. I think they make the motorcycle look great compared to the look of those big bug antennas. We do like to take our mirrors off when we go to the track. Most tracks actually require it. So these are a great solution, especially because those mirrors do actually hold down your windscreen to the front stay of this motorcycle. So without anything in place of those mirrors when you take them off, you are gonna run into some issues with your windscreen actually not being able to stay on unless you find some other fasteners for that. We went ahead and provided you guys with a nice, elegant solution for you track riders and those guys that just want to look a little bit more streamlined.
And just like that, you've completely cleaned up the front end of your motorcycle. Now please note, by removing your mirrors, you are effectively losing your mirrors. So please make note of that. This really is for those riders who already have other mirror methods or mirrors installed on their bikes, or for those riders that are going to the track and simply want to remove them. If you are interested in this product, you want to check it out, please be sure to visit our website, tstindustries.com. The link to these mirror block-offs can be found in the description below. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, or you just want to say hey, you can do so down in the comment field below as well. Don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell on to stay up to date with all the new and exciting videos we've got going on for the Ninja 500 and any other bike that may find its way into our garage. And lastly, be sure to stop by our social media pages, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, all username TST Industries. For now, this has been Mark and Brian from the TST Garage, and we'll catch you next time.